Hi, I'm Tara Tescher, and I'm the creator and designer of the Temp-tations family of brands. Temp-tations is actually celebrating its 20th anniversary this year. So Temp-tations started truly in stoneware. It's kind of what our grandmothers used and what their grandmothers used. And so I loved that it could really be double duty. It can go in the oven, in the microwave, you can put it in the dishwasher, it can go in the fridge. And so really it started to evolve these iconic patterns with bakeware. And then so many people were saying they were using these pieces all throughout their home. And would I consider creating a candle that had this pattern, or a beautiful mosaic fountain for outside in their garden? And so truly what started out as what I would call a kitchen product or kitchen brand has evolved into an entire lifestyle brand. So the name for Temp-tations is interesting. So I went for a run. I was trying to come up with a name for it, and I was thinking about all the kind of attributes that I wanted this brand to have. And it's temperature based, right? So it can go in the oven up to 500 degrees, which means you can tuck it under the broiler. It goes in the microwave, put it in the fridge, in the freezer, it goes in the dishwasher, which we love. So there was a temperature aspect. And then there was all these great ideas I had for patterns and colors and design. And so I wanted it to be tempting. So hence came Temp-tations. So at the heart of the mission statement for Temp-tations, it's always about gathering family and friends back around the table. And the dishes become the excuse that do that, because you feel empowered to cook again, or you love the way your table looks, and maybe you just kind of always threw everything together. It's a way to truly, through food, through togetherness, bring everybody back, whether it's a meal just for yourself that you want to make special, or of course it's a big meal for the holidays. So my mom's fingerprints are all over the brand, right? She's just an amazing cook. And really her thread and foundation while we were growing up as a family was that no matter how busy we were, one meal a day, we would sit together as a family and we would reconnect with each other. We would talk about our days. And so really that need to want to be around the table, create something that makes it easier for people to do that and makes them feel good about it, is really truly from my upbringing. So we say it's the 20th anniversary, but I've had this my whole life. So my husband, Ed, we're recently married, 6 years, and we have 4 dogs, and we have 5 children, and we have 4 grandchildren. So it's a perfect blended family. But Ed keeps me completely grounded. He's also my business partner. So we truly share every aspect of our life. And he is just a kind and gentle man, and I am so blessed to share my life with him. So I talk about Temp-tations a lot with magical transformation, meaning that it serves more than one purpose. So for me, I don't have a lot of space. So I want to make sure everything kind of nests down inside each other. I have an item I call it a convertible cake stand, and you flip it over and it turns into a chip and dip. So things that people don't always think about, I'm constantly obsessing over. Like, how can this serve more than one purpose? It's just being able to morph these pieces into so much more than just a baking dish. What do I see in the next 20 years? I'm not sure, to be honest. I see my love continuing to grow in design and new product ideas and new concepts. And I always say that truly it's all about those who collect the brand. They're steering it. They're the ones telling me what they want to see and what they love and what they like. And so as long as they're there with me, I'm there with them.